Welcome everyone. Here is how to use the button which is at the top left of your iPhone. So this is called the action button, and we first need to program it. So it's very easy to do. Let's start by opening up our settings. Then I want you to scroll all the way down until you see action button, and in here by default it's set to no action, so it's going to do nothing, and you can just swipe across to see all of the options that are available and then just choose whichever option, just like this. So I've selected silent mode, and regardless of what you choose here, when an option is selected, to use that option I just want you to long press the action button. So press and hold this one, so press and hold, and you can see the toggle you choose will either turn on or off. Now if you tap this button, it will do nothing, so you do need to do a long press of this button and then release when the action is performed. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to, so if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day, bye bye.